The Alabama Department of Public Health says the state is facing a surge in coronavirus tests, causing results to get back to people at an average of 7 days after they get tested. The department released a statement Friday saying it recognizes that this is too long and asks for consumers and physicians and other providers to help in making sure that those who are most vulnerable become the focus for testing. WAAY 31's Casey Albritton spoke to a couple who just got their test results back on Friday.
The couple tells me they got tested here at John Hunt Park, and after 11 days of not getting a response, they knew something was wrong.
I started not feeling good, and then we found out our next door neighbor had tested positive for COVID.
Melissa Fass and her boyfriend got tested for coronavirus on July 20th.
Just be safe than sorry.
Fass says after a few days of no test results, she started to get worried.
It is scary. Everything I've heard about this is scary.
Eventually, Fass and her boyfriend decided to take matters into their own hands.
Here we are, 11 to 12 days later. We have had no phone call, no email, and we had to reach out ourselves.
She says when she called, she asked why it was taking so long to get test results.
She told me it was simply because they were severely backed up.
The Alabama Department of Public Health says the backup could be caused by supply chain issues, overall increased demand for tests nationwide, and increased numbers of unnecessary tests. Fass says during her 11-day wait, she couldn't go to work, and she had to temporarily halt her day-to-day responsibilities.
So I'm someone who I would rather get back to work. I don't, want to always sit at home.
Department officials state they now want testing to focus on the elderly, healthcare personnel, and those who have underlying conditions, something Fass says is a good idea.
I can only hope that they get a better handle on it, because a lot of us have, work to return to.
The CDC says anyone who has been exposed to someone who tested positive for coronavirus should quarantine for at least 14 days. Reporting in Huntsville, Casey Albritton, WAAY 31 News.